I'll be talking about Gaelic football. Gaelic football originated in Ireland with its roots traced back to traditional Irish ball games that were played for centuries. It was officially set out in 1884 by the Gaelic Athletic Association, which sought to promote native Irish sports and culture. Michael Cusack, a key founder of the GAA, played a pivotal role in formalizing the sport. Gaelic football is one of Ireland's most popular sports and a significant part of its cultural identity. Gaelic football is a fast-paced sport that blends elements of soccer and rugby. Played with a round ball, the game is contested between two teams of 15 players on a large rectangular field. Players can kick, hand pass, or carry the ball, and the objective of the game is to score either by kicking the ball over the crossbar, which is 1 point, or into the net, which is 3 points. Players must bounce or solo the ball every 4 steps. Physical contact, such as shoulder tackles, is allowed, but overly aggressive fouls result in free kicks or penalties. The Gaelic Athletic Association governs Gaelic football in Ireland, overseeing club and inter-county competitions. The Ladies Gaelic Football Association, which is the LGFA, was established in 1974 to govern women's Gaelic football, a rapidly growing segment of the sport. Internationally, organizations like the USGAA manage the sport in the United States, where participation is growing in areas with Irish American communities. Gaelic football is most popular in Ireland, but has spread to other countries with Irish communities such as the United States, Canada, and Australia. According to the 2022 Irish Sports Monitor, Gaelic football remains one of Ireland's most played sports, particularly among younger age groups. Male participation is generally higher, but the growth of women's game, particularly through the LGFA, is boosting female involvement. Globally, participation continues to rise, especially with the GAA's efforts to promote Gaelic games internationally. Gaelic football is played by both men and women across a wide age range, from youth leagues to adult teams. The sport has deep community ties, with clubs playing a significant role in local social life. In Ireland, many participants come from rural and urban areas alike, and the sport is increasingly attracting a more diverse group of players, especially in regions like North America. The All-Ireland Senior Football Championship is the premier competition, finishing in the prestigious All-Ireland Final, held annually at Croke Park in Dublin. This event draws massive media attention and is one of the most watched sporting events in Ireland. Internationally, the International Rules Series pits Gaelic football players against Australian rules football players, further explaining the sport's global appeal. While Gaelic football is not part of the Olympics, it enjoys robust support at home and abroad. Gaelic football enjoys significant media coverage, particularly during the summer months when All-Ireland Championships take place. National broadcasters, including RTE, which is Ireland's national public service broadcaster, provides extensive coverage, including live broadcasts and analysts. Sponsorship is also strong, with companies like Allied Irish Bank, which is AIB, SuperValu, and LID, supporting various competitions and teams. The Ladies Gaelic Football Association has secured sponsorship from companies like American International Group, Glenveagh Homes, and helping to promote the Women's League. Gaelic football teams, especially at the inter-county level, sell a wide range of licensed products, including jerseys, training gear, and accessories. These products are popular among fans, particularly in Ireland, where the county teams have dedicated the following. Some fun facts about Gaelic football, starting with fact number 1. The Gaelic games are currently played in 50 states throughout the United States. Fun fact number 2. In 1695, football and hurling were banned in Ireland in the Sunday Observance Act, punishable by fine, but however, obviously it continued. Fun fact number 3. Forms of Gaelic football have been played in Ireland since the 1300s. And fun fact number 4, the Gaelic games consist of 6 different games: hurling, Gaelic football, handball, rounders, Cummigi, and ladies football. That concludes my presentation for today. Thank you for listening. Until part B.